Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. On today's menu, we're going to be making Vietnamese stir-fried beef with peas. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. You will need 1 to 1.5 pounds of beef tenderloin. Here I have snow peas and snap peas. Go with the one that you like more or more accessible to your area. You'll need 8 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. To get started, the first step is to prepare the beef. Cut the beef tenderloin into smaller chewing pieces. To do this, cut the loin down the middle along the grain, then cut the beef into slices against the grain about 1 centimeter in thickness. Once all the pieces are cut, add them to a large mixing bowl to get ready to marinate. Add in half of the minced garlic, saving the other half for frying. Add the 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, the 1 tablespoon of sugar, the half tablespoon of black pepper, the 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and the 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then mix it around and let it sit for at least 30 minutes before cooking. While we wait, we can prepare the peas. This part is optional, but it is recommended to peel the string on the peas. The string is tough to chew and will get stuck between your teeth if you leave it on. To do this, pinch the top of the pea and peel towards the other end. Something to note is that the strings are tougher in older peas. You can skip this step if you have fresh and ripe peas. This is what the strings look like. Next, fill a pan or wok halfway with water. Once the water comes to a boil, add in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then add in the peas for a quick cook. After 30 seconds, drain it. The beef should be well marinated by now, so we can move on to step 3, which is to stir fry. In the same wok or pan, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on high heat. Add in the rest of the minced garlic from earlier. Once it gets golden brown, add in all of the beef. Stir it around for about a minute, then add in the peas. By now you want to turn off the heat, then stir until the beef is cooked to your liking. And that's all it is to it. This is a very quick and easy recipe that will bring a lot of flavor to your next meal. The last thing to do is to dish it out on a plate, and don't forget the sauce. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Until next time, now it's your turn to get cooking.